Helen Keller said, "The only thing worse than being blind is having sight, but no vision." Could there be anything worse than going through life without any direction, without any passion, without purpose, without vision? Decide what you're going to do. Decide who you are going to be. Write it down and do whatever it takes to make it come true. That is your vision. That is your purpose. Your vision gives you reason. Reason to get out of bed every morning. Reason to grind. Reason to do what everyone else is unwilling to do. No successful human has ever reached any great heights without having a clear vision of their future. Back your vision with a relentless, burning desire to achieve at all costs. Your vision must be strong, powerful, and make you feel completely uncomfortable. If your vision is in your comfort zone, that is not your vision. No fulfilled life is lived in a comfort zone. Push yourself. Push yourself to live the life you want to live. No shortcuts, no cop-outs. You think big, you dream big, and you get big. Your vision should be something you love to do. Don't chase the money. Do what you love and the money will chase you. It's a universal law. Add value, get rewarded. It is about time you made things happen. Turn your vision into reality. You deserve it. Never settle, never accept anything else. You gotta believe you are here for a purpose. Why are you here? Don't wait until the end to realize you never did what you wanted to do. Don't wait until it's too late to understand life is short and you only get one shot to make it. Take risks. Listen to your heart. Trust your vision. Never forget you can have, be, and do anything. You are a powerful creator.